excited to be here today to show you something very, very fun and easy
and handy. Everybody needs this. I'm Kathy.
I'm Annie.
And we're the Thrive Life Sisters. And we're going to show you how to
make some homemade wipes. So you can use them in your kitchen, in your bathroom, in your car, whatever
kids' faces
works for you.
Buns.
Yeah. And it's all natural. Well, make sure you know that you don't use peppermint for this one. Okay. That would be very hot. Okay. So we grab a roll of Bounce or whichever
paper towel
that
Make
you
sure
have.
it's not a cheap brand because it will shred into pieces.
So these are nice, and it's nice to have the little ones that have little teeny...
and just, you will say what you're doing.
Okay, so what we're doing right now is we're taking the roll and we're going to chop it right in half.
Because that's going to fit into our empty Thrive cans. Now this is an empty Thrive can. All we did was just rewrap it. And then you just take the can and you have the lid at the top. It is a good knife this time.
Mine are better.
So as she's cutting, I'm going to start making the mix that goes into the paper towel. So I'll just show you a little bit right here. So all I have is I have some water, and then I'm going to take a drop. I'm going to take a couple drops of Dawn dish soap because this helps the essential oil of your choice emulsify. So I'll put a couple drops of essential oil, whatever kind you want. I'm picking lemon because I like the lemony scent. And I'm going to take a little bit of vinegar. Vinegar is just really just the white vinegar, whatever kind you want. And we're just going to pour a little bit of vinegar as well. So you can even use these for windows and stuff like that. So this is just mixed up and this is ready to go. So I have my essential oil. The dish soap helps to emulsify the oil, and then a little bit of vinegar. And you have the
paper towel roll. I won't show you the other side because it's a little bit hacked. Actually, my knives worked much better when I used it. But
I like my knives.
This is good.
So you just put it in.
We're just going to slide it in.
There is our, oh yeah. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to add the liquid.
I'll hold that.
Right in so it absorbs, and it leaks all over the counter. Okay. Okay, so it takes about 3 to 4 cups of water. You don't want it too drenched, but you want it wet enough because once it gets wet, this inner piece actually just pulls right out. Let me just see if it's all wet. Yep. Nope, it isn't. It still needs a bit more. So you add enough until it's going to absorb all the liquid because that whole paper towel will absorb that liquid. So then, okay, work for me, baby.
You could do it.
I'm going to take a little bit of the paper towel with it, but the center does just come out, okay? And then we have our wipes. So then we'll put the lid on.
They smell so fresh, lemony.
Delicious.
All right, so now we have the lid, and we need to make sure that we can access the paper towel, so we need to put an X.
Just put it on. We'll
on
poke it.
there.
Oh, I'll show you what we're doing. So the lid is on. We just basically poke a little X so it won't dry, but it will be enough of an opening that you could just pull the paper towel through and, oops, it does work, I promise. One at a time. You have a perfect little wipe to wipe down whatever you want.
Even sometimes in the bathroom, it's really fun just to clean up, like every time your boys or whatever use the washroom, then you can just take one of these, wipe it off, and
your boys. You need to wipe after boys.
So this is an amazing, fun little trick that you can have, especially when you're going to have a lot of company in the house. This is a fun little thing to do.
I have it beside my bathroom, on my kitchen counter, in your car, and they fit perfectly. So have fun with making your natural wipes.
And economical.
It is. And reuse your cans.
So share,
like,
and follow.